How to fix the sound on your laptop is suddenly stopped working. So if you can't hear any sound, the first thing you need to do is head over to your desktop like this, go and right click on the volume icon in the bottom of your taskbar, and then press Sound Settings. Now if you come over to the Output tab, you need to make sure your laptop speakers are selected like this. Now obviously also make sure the volume slider is turned up, and then you'll need to scroll down the page and click on More Sound Settings. Now click on the Playback tab, and you should be able to find your laptop speakers from here. Now make sure they're enabled by right-clicking and pressing the Enable button. Also make sure your laptop speakers are set to the default device just by selecting them and pressing Set Default. You can also right-click on your speakers and click Properties. Now click on Advanced. If you have Enable Audio Enhancements turned on, then go and disable this, and then press Apply and OK. Now if it's still not working, right click on the volume icon again, and press Open Volume Mixer. Now if you scroll down to your list of applications, go and turn up the volume slider on the application you're trying to listen to. So if any of these applications are turned down or muted, make sure they're turned up like this. You can also try resetting your sound by pressing the reset button. Now if it's still not working, open up the start menu again, search for the word troubleshoot and click on troubleshoot settings. Now select other troubleshooters. You'll then see audio, press run. Now you'll see a window pop up like this. You'll see it will say, do we have your consent to run automated diagnostics? You just need to go and select yes, and you can go through the steps to test the audio on your computer. Now if you still can't hear any sound, the final solution is to open up your start menu, search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Now click on the drop down arrow next to Audio Inputs and Outputs. You should be able to see your laptop speakers, go and right click on them, and then press Update Driver. Now press Browse My Computer for drivers, select Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers, and then go and select one of these options and press Next. You'll then need to restart your computer and your laptop sound should now be working.